international matches for the USA. She left the game in a healthy state and says soccer's progress has been a positive step for women's sport.
There's a lot of changes, but I think first and foremost the technical level and the tactical level has increased tremendously. And a lot of that is due to the local players involved. A lot more money is being put into the federations, especially the women's side of the game.
Named by Pele as one of FIFA's top 125 living players, McMahon is the greatest female footballer of all time.
Success is not a matter of chance, it's a matter of choice. And I think the choice that we all made was to make a better commitment to the women's side of the game.
Ayan mo yung cellphone ni Jalle. Yan, cellphone ni Jalle. Laging naka-charge.
Sarap.
Ano ang quality yun? Sabi mo, alam, babayaran niya. Bakit siya dito yung malaki? Bibingka siya dito ng malaki. Oo. Pati ano eh.
Ati itlog. Kaya,
Eh na may pakakain mamaya doon sa kanyang mga angkan sa kampo.
Take lunch.
Ayos na yan. Quality na yan. Pwede, parang labas.
labas na na.
Clean ako.
Kuha, kuha.
Yan. Yan.